friends, today I'll be giving you an update on my chickies. And today, they have become 10 days old. This is 10-day-old Albert. So as you can see from some of my other videos, he's getting bigger. So Albert used to be 43.4 grams when we first weighed him, but now he's 90.5 grams. His feathers have been grown up. He doesn't like me. I'll try to get him to spread his feathers. Oh no, they like to jump. They like to jump. And some of you might have seen my other videos. I've got butt feathers, which is great. My mom and me have done a little research about little old chickies, and we found out that their butts can have these things, these bad things that like clog up the system in there, which could lead to long-term health effects. So Albert doesn't have any of these. I don't really want to show you his butt, but Albert doesn't have any. So there you go, his butt, and he's trying to go back to his friends as usual. So I'm gonna bring him back. Now this is 10-day-old Torchic. So I'll first be telling you about her weight. So she first was 41.3 grams, which was like an average, I think. And then she became to grow into 83 grams. That's a lot. Unfortunately, Torchic has the little health disease that I told you about, pastings. And I'll be showing you how to deal with that. So first, you take a little cotton ball or whatever thing you have, like a clean towel, and then you wet it a little, and then you just gently wipe it on through. This is the final product, and this is a little extra thing. We had to like cut off a little bit of her like hair and stuff, because it was stuck on her hair. But this is still the final product, and it's good and clean. Now on to the next little chickie here, Shiny. So the good news to clarify is that Shiny does not have any pastings. As you can see right there, no pastings. And also, they've all grown bigger feathers. Oh yeah, by the way, Shiny doubled, more than doubled. She used to be 40.8 grams, but she's now 86.8 grams. That's great. Now, on to little Corn, who's gonna be the last. So Corn first is used to be 38.3 grams, but now she is 72.5 grams. She hasn't doubled, but I'd say it's a 1.8 or something like that, which is very good. But the bad news is that Corn got the pastings. So now, as I told you, get the water wipe, or if it's stuck to there, use a few scissors to cut off the little fluff. So I'll try to wipe it off. But I can't. I don't think I can. Now on to the cutting part. So since hair's technically dead cells, a Corn won't actually feel this. So I got it off. Corn didn't feel a thing, as you could see that he didn't like react to it. You can see it's good and clean, and Corn's good now. Now, in summary, with all the chicks, all of them have grown about 2 times their weight on average, and they've all grown feathers bigger and better, and they're all trying to jump out. Henry, out. Now please don't jump off. No, Corn, don't do it. It isn't worth it. Not again.